The iPhone camera can be used as a digital magnifying glass via an app called Magnifier, which comes installed on your iPhone. We can find and launch it with a quick spotlight search. From here in the Magnifier app, we have a simple zoom slider that will let us magnify anything that we need to make easier to see or read. I find that this works best with very fine print. The text at the bottom of this mailing label is tough to read with the naked eye. Use the zoom slider though and it comes into focus, and it's pretty easy to read on the iPhone display. Next, let's make this a little more challenging with trying to see this super small type that's printed on an AirPod. This text contains the model and serial number of these AirPods, and it's so small it's really difficult to even notice. So I'll need to zoom in and keep a steady hand for this. I'll also want to use the flashlight on the back of my iPhone to help illuminate the AirPods. Notice that we can also tweak the brightness and contrast of what we're viewing in the magnifier. And we can apply a filter. The inverted filters seem to be the most helpful in certain circumstances. Once the text is readable, we can tap the shutter here to freeze it. Any freeze frames taken in the magnifier will not be automatically saved to photos. And this is only going to be saved here in Magnifier until I tap the Done button or close the app. So if I want to keep this one, I'll tap Share and I'll choose to save it to Photos. So if you ever need to get a better look at something that's really small, don't forget about the iPhone Magnifier app.